green fib circle because all these people were trapped in a land of despair, and there was a lot of trading out there. There was a lot of big money getting left up there to get fleece heisted and shisted, and it gave these people a rare second chance on this final blow off top. But like I told you, and the reason I keep that here is that when it broke this uptrending rising wedge, that was the start of the multi-year bear market, right? And this was just one big bear market rally that I had forecasted down into this falling channel down here on a breakout to the upside. I just thought it was going to get topped out here. And like the markets always do, they overshoot a little bit, and then it came up and trapped all kinds of people. Nobody over here on this once in a lifetime opportunity to get out on something that they bought above $46,000, and a lot of people bought it up here at 55 and 65,000. Once in a lifetime chance after a 50% flush, and that's major money being lost to get it back up here. And what they do, they bought more and they tripled down up here, thinking we were going to the moon, baby, going to 100,000, all in this consolidation. And now they're really getting fleece heisted and shisted because you can see the price is way down. And I said, quote, multi-year bear market. I've shared a couple videos from yesterday. Check those out. Very powerful, educational, knowledge-filled, fact-based information in there. But I said this was a multi-year bear market, and this has only been 473 days, so about a year and a half so far. So we got at least another year of this painful, painful bear market. And you can see what we forecasted when it was up here after we seen the mountain double top. We said this is a mountain double top, and this is one of the most bearish macro formations you can get is a mountain double top, blow off top one, crash, big bear market rally, formed a, even though it technically breached the old all-time high barely, it forms a perfect mountain double topper M topping reversal pattern. I prefer to call it the mountain double top. You could draw sun rising and setting into the abyss in between them, and you take it from the top to what the neckline would be, support, 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 support over here. This would be your neckline right there, which actually lined up beautifully with that white bottom at 30,000. And the way you do a targeted move on this is from the top to the bottom, to the point of a breakout, and that got you all the way down here to the $13,369 range. And that's how old Vincenzo came out with that target, 13,336, when the price of Bitcoin was at 63,000 and rising, right? That's how I came up with that based on the mountain double top, right? You see that, and you can watch all those videos from back here, all of them on the whole way up here back in from, where is that at? I always put that in the wrong spot. Get over there. Back here in October of 2021, November, December, January, February, March. I was telling you this was a mountain double top, and the target would be by the end of 2022, way down there, right? And that's how I diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected that. See that? And then we had the midway consolidation and a bear flag, right? Bear flag one. And then how you do a technical target from there is you go from the top of the flag to the bottom of the pole to the point of the breakout, and that got you right down to your next consolidation about the midway point to our overall technical target. And then we had a little smaller bear flag here, right? And then it broke down, and another much little bit larger bear flag here, and this too will eventually break down, and that technical target gets you right down here to the 13,900, right into our slot, right into our target that we had from way back in the abyss when the price was up there in its mountain double top, right? And that gets you right down into there, and that's what we're still waiting on, and that's what we're watching out for. But these can always do a little fake out first, right? And that's why we've had this overhead target up here since this started to show its true self down in this range that we thought it could get up there, right? It hasn't yet. It's struggling here. And what we're watching for in the immediate short term today in the micro pattern is kind of to hold above, see how it came down on this lower support right here earlier today when the volume came back in. It held it and then it came back up. Now, when it comes back down, if it can't hold this and form a double bottom and breach this old area, if it comes down here and struggles and comes through, that's what I've been thinking is going to happen the last few days, where you have to come back down, even if you are to break up soon or to go up one more time. You might have to come back down and retest